Are you currently renting? What if I showed you that you could save $300,000 over 9 years by buying a home instead of renting? Say you bought a home for $415,000 here in Redlands, Southern California. You buy that home on a 30-year fixed rate loan at, say, 3.125%, paying a couple of $1,000s in closing costs for an APR of 3.952%, let's just say. Your monthly payment would include a principal and interest payment of $1,724. And you're going to have property taxes and homeowners insurance, and there's going to be some, maintenance upkeep of a property that you own. Let's just say that's going to be about $170 a month on average. You'll go months without, and then you'll have a month where you might have to spend $200, $300, or $400. So $170 a monthly average for the maintenance and repairs. That puts your total monthly payment for that home, monthly outgo for that home, at $2,597. Okay. Now you compare that to your monthly rental payment of $2,376 for just the rent, and let's say that you have renter's insurance, because if you're renting, you should have renter's insurance. That combined total is $2,412 per month, right? So $2,597 versus $2,412. Sound good? Well, maybe it does initially, but let's carry that out. Year over year over year at a 5.3% annual rental increase, which is what we're experiencing here in Redlands, California. That would put your monthly payment for your rent at $3,591 a month come year 9. That would take your homeowner's insurance, or your renter's insurance rather, up to $54 per month. So suddenly, or maybe not so suddenly, year 9, you're paying $3,646 a month. You're still paying, when you own that home, you're still paying something in the neighborhood of $2,597 plus a little bit more, because you're going to have a little bit of an increase in property taxes, homeowners insurance, and a little bit more in the maintenance and repairs. But ultimately, your total cash flow, when you project that increase out for each of the two, buying, you're going to look at $283,023 over that first 9 years. Renting, you're going to be paying $322,189. There's a savings of over $30,000, close to $40,000 for that period. So how do we get to that net gain of $300,000 plus? Because of two things. One is appreciation. You are buying this home and you're going to experience, in most cases, on a regular basis, appreciation in your real estate holdings. Now, what's the projection for Redlands in California? We are looking at a projected, forecasted appreciation rate of about 6.3% or so. Now, that home that you bought for $415,000 in 9 years will be worth something around $722,000. That's over $300,000 right there, about $307 according to my notes. Okay. When you add that to the amount of equity that you're building up for yourself, because the monthly payment that you are making pays down your principal and it builds equity in your own home. Quite unlike renting a property where you're paying that rent and you're seeing nothing back for that money. So over 9 years, when you're making that payment, you will have accumulated over $84,000 in net equity. So when you add that $84,000 to that $307,000, you're right around or above $390,000 monies saved, net gain owned by owning a home. So if increasing your wealth by over $300,000 sounds good to you, please contact Viewpoint Financial. Again, we're a mortgage brokerage located in the city of Redlands, California. Our contact information is played across the screen here, viewpointfinancial.com. Office number is 909-335-7100.